How to recover your Capcom ID or how to reset your password. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover or reset your password on Capcom ID. Now the first step, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser and there you want to search in for Capcom login. As you can see on the screen, I've searched in for Capcom login and you can see the very first link there. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on this, let it load up. At the top of the screen, at the top right, essentially beside the three horizontal line icon, you can see the login option. You want to simply tap on that particular login option, and once you do so, here it will ask you for login information. Here you'll be headed into login page. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on don't remember your password option at the screen. As you can see here on the screen, don't remember your password, simply tap on it and it will take you to the reset password page. What you want to do is you want to enter in your email address that is connected to your Capcom ID. You want to enter in your email and you want to simply tap on send email, and once you do so, once you tap on send email, you can see here it says we will send you an email to reset your password. So it'll send a link to your email where you'll be able to reset the password. So this way you can easily reset or recover your Capcom ID. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.